This individual is attempting to prevent his truck from descending further down the cliff, but the gradual slide suggests that additional measures may be needed to safely secure the vehicle. The white car lost control and veered onto the sidewalk. Fortunately, nearby trees halted its movement, preventing potential harm to others. The individual inadvertently toppled a stack of goods while operating the forklift, then exited without properly securing it, nearly resulting in the loss of the entire load. Both vehicles attempted to overtake a truck in a narrow lane, highlighting the risks associated with improper lane usage and the importance of safe overtaking practices. Although it initially appeared that the driver of the three-wheeler had lost control, they actually avoided a parked car with skill, showcasing adept handling. A package fell off a truck on the highway, and another driver safely removed it from the road, helping to prevent a potential traffic hazard. The tanker truck suddenly activated its turn signal, surprising the adjacent car and underscoring the importance of timely signaling to communicate intentions to other drivers. Operating large cranes demands significant skill and precision, much like a coordinated sequence, to avoid accidents. Even a minor error in operating these cranes can lead to instability or tipping, demonstrating the critical nature of precise maneuvering. The concrete mixer lost traction on the slippery road, moving uncontrollably, which illustrates the challenges of operating heavy vehicles on icy surfaces. The white car's erratic movement conveyed the intensity of the situation, reflecting the need for careful vehicle control. These cars inadvertently forced the truck into a challenging position, demonstrating how certain maneuvers can inadvertently complicate the movements of larger vehicles. When a black car caught fire on the road, bystanders acted quickly to help extinguish the flames, reflecting the power of community action in emergencies. The orange car eventually regained stable control after an abrupt U-turn, showing the importance of maintaining control even during sudden maneuvers. The black car ran a red light, unaware of the approaching truck on its left, underscoring the necessity of obeying traffic signals. This wheel loader, initially moving with the truck's support, unexpectedly lost contact, indicating a need for secure coupling during transportation. A sudden sinkhole opened up on this road, almost swallowing half of a truck, highlighting the unpredictable challenges posed by natural terrain shifts. Although the truck's cabin was severely damaged, the driver miraculously escaped unharmed, showing the effectiveness of safety features in protecting occupants. The bridge appeared to strain under the weight of the concrete mixer, underscoring the importance of weight assessments when traversing aging infrastructure. This truck attempted to reverse on a one-way highway to make a turn, demonstrating the challenges of maneuvering oversized vehicles in constrained spaces. The blue truck unexpectedly veered into a ditch, which may suggest the importance of secure navigation on uneven roads. The green truck went over the railing under the crane's watch, illustrating the challenges of maintaining control during lifting operations. When cargo caught fire in transit, the driver drove directly to the nearby fire station, allowing firefighters to respond quickly and prevent further escalation. A sinkhole that extended up to 2 meters trapped a concrete mixer, emphasizing the need for vigilance when driving in areas prone to ground shifts. After losing its balance, the truck tried to regain stability, but was ultimately unsuccessful, highlighting the complexities of handling vehicles under adverse conditions. This truck drove into deep water, nearly submerging, which underscores the importance of assessing water depth before attempting to cross flooded areas. The concrete mixer attempted a risky overtaking maneuver on the inner lane, which could have been avoided through safer driving practices. After colliding with a guardrail, the white car stalled on the highway, but swift reactions from other drivers helped prevent further accidents. This truck unexpectedly caught fire on the highway, leading to a dangerous situation for other road users. The driver managed to stop at a toll booth and summon firefighters, who quickly extinguished the fire, preventing a potential hazard. A steering malfunction prevented this truck, loaded with dairy cows, from maneuvering safely on a sharp turn, illustrating the importance of regular vehicle maintenance. The steep, icy road created hazardous conditions for these trucks, causing them to slide uncontrollably. A distracted driver inadvertently steered their three-wheeler into a ditch, underscoring the importance of attentive driving. The white SUV performed a highly skilled drift, showcasing precision driving techniques. Despite efforts to rescue the wheel loader, complications arose, leading to additional challenges. This loaded truck reversed to accommodate a black car, but the weakened road edge collapsed, resulting in the truck overturning. The truck seemed to exhibit erratic behavior, as if designed for racing rather than transport. An excavator operator riding along was able to help stabilize the vehicle, showcasing the value of trained personnel on site for quick response. The large water tanker attempted to ascend a steep incline, but encountered difficulties, highlighting the importance of calculating load capacity in steep areas. The truck's struggle up the hill underscored the demands that certain terrains place on vehicle capabilities. Observers noted the truck's struggle with sympathy, acknowledging the difficulty of maneuvering such a load up a steep incline.